What can you tell me about this?
These are just came in.
These just came in.
These are a re-release.
These are a re-release. These are not a new kit, but they've not been around. They've not been in store since
2017.
One of them is 2018. One of them is 2021.
Little.
Now these are Eduard's finest. These are the ProfiPACKs, and the ProfiPACKs are fantastic. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the Spitty, because I've got just as much as idea about the Spitfire as I do anything.
Well, this is a good one.
Let's jump in the box.
This is a late version.
It's a Mark 9C late version. Don't know why they use Roman numerals.
Roman numerals.
Roman numerals. Roman numerals.
Roman numerals.
What have we got here?
Helicopter.
It's actually not a plain kit that you're getting, it seems. No, this is just a sprue for the
sprue,
clip.
yeah.
Keeping it all nice and detailed.
I've never seen a sprue that looks like that.
Haven't you?
No.
Well,
don't really do a lot of these kits, so.
One thing that you will like about Eduard and the ProfiPACKs is the fact that they have photo etch in there, and they have beautiful rivet detail. Am I catching that? Are you getting that? Got beautiful rivet detail in there. Have a look at that. This is a Spitfire, right?
Yeah, very nice.
Have a look at the rivets on all the panel work. This is going to come up an absolute gem when you do this. So not only does it build fantastic, but its finish is amazing with very little work required. Looks like you can do wheels up or wheels down, I'd say here.
Yep.
Because it's got the cutout in there. And what have we got here? We've got a bit of engine work. Got the controls. Yeah. Got some fan thingies.
Yeah, nice.
We call that a propeller.
Yeah.
Yeah, here,
that's a technical term, is it?
We've got some markings here.
Got some etch.
Oof. Photo etch. Here you go. That's going to ruin your weekend.
Yep.
Nah,
that's not the worst.
People love this stuff. Are you a fan of photo etch?
Yeah, so a lot of like the Steam mirror kits and stuff was like my introduction to photo etch, which I've messed up so many times and still do.
Have a look how tiny it is. It is so tiny.
Yeah.
It's not for me.
I bought some etch kits in England that I was like, these are beautiful. And then I got them home. I was like, I can't wait to not build these. Like one of my mates came over the other day with one. He's like, I reckon I'm going to give this a crack. Same thing. I opened it and went, oh, nah.
Did he have like a glass of wine in his hand?
Nah. It's just easy just to say no. It's not like they're going to go off.
And the other thing about Eduard is the quality instructions that you get, the ProfiPACK. So
good pickies.
Yeah, really good pickies, and it's going to have in here all your builds, all your variants, optional decals depending on what livery you're going with.
Well, have you seen that car that the guy put the Merlin engine in?
Yeah.
Yeah, hot.
Isn't it?
It's like V20.
Starts cool, doesn't it?
Yeah, it has a startup instruction.
The SOPs.
Like crazy.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
How many schemes have you got? Now, that's what I like about the Eduard kits. They usually got like 5 or 6 schemes. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. 6 schemes. Boom. Straight in there.
Scheming.
We've even got your invasion stripes. Very good for invading.
Right.
I'm not sure. There you go.
I couldn't tell you, but there we go.
I like it.
Cool. Oh, you can get even more etch parts. What's that?
What's
that? An add-on kit. Add-on for the
You're
cab.
asking questions I don't know.
I don't know.
There you go. You're just seeing what's in front of you. We're all learning. And we're showing it to the world. I love this. So, Eduard, get amongst it. Back in stock.
Heaps cool.
This is for the connoisseur. This is for the intermediate to advanced builder, I would say.
I love that.
Anything with photo etch like that. Yeah.
That wasn't heaps of photo etch.
Wasn't heaps, but
you could. I think that's a good. Is that? I would have thought that was like a good beginner point.
Well, here you go.
Or nah.
See how you go.
I've got a pile at home.
Have you?
Yeah, well, I don't know. I whipped out some Steam mirror kits the other day. I was like, oh, they got a bunch of etch in them. All the brake rigging's etch.
And that's as far as you went. What have we got here?
Oh, what was it?
Another one from Meng.
Meng. Oh, this is that goofy one.
Goofy one. I thought I'd get this. How cool does it look? The Messerschmitt ME410. B2,
Smooth.
U2, R4.
Looks like a dolphin.
Dolphin smooth. Aerodynamic for maximum performance. You could take a few heat off this. Look at the shape of it.
Yeah.
No?
That's what I'm saying. It looks like a little dolphin.
Just go straight in. These bits might get caught.
Oh, you cut them off. Can you undermount them?
That's right. It's your kit. You build it your way.
Fuck yeah. I will give someone a prize if they do that.
Will you?
Yeah, I don't know what it'll be, but I'm keen to see it.
A crisp high five.
Oh, the 2.
A signed Will James sticker.
No, they're all gone.
Look at the signed ones or just in general?
Just in general. Oh, there's a couple. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Go on.
Look at the rivets and the molding. I'm just trying to get in here. Let's try and show some detail of this weapon. There you go. Look at that.
Definitely counts some rivets on it.
Couldn't you? Rivet counting. One of your favorite hobbies when you're not doing trains.
It's the same thing.
Isn't it? Got a couple of seats in there. Need them. Engine detail. Doesn't have weighted wheels.
Oh. Oh, is that a thing?
A lot of engine detail. Is it
Yeah.
like 2 V12s or something? 2 V16s? Not exactly sure. 2 engines.
BMW's finest.
Oof.
Some more etch.
Photo etch in the main. We've got some stickers.
Grills. Yeah, right.
I like these stickers. They're good. They're pretty good. These ones here, they're separated. They're funny.
Oh.
They're question marks.
Ah. That right. There you go.
The other kids had them complete.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, the other kids had them complete. I'm not sure why Ming have taken the moral high ground there, but anyway, I wouldn't know.
Yeah, right. There you go.
How many paint schemes in here? How many do you reckon?
4.
4? A, B, C. 3. We've got 3 paint schemes.
Have fun.
I'd like that. Bit of body painting. Now let's have a look at, we just saw the Eduard instructions. Let's have a look at the Ming one. It's definitely, it's CAD. It's concise. I like it.
Yeah.
It's good. Even I prefer it is. It's nice big pictures. It's probably a little bit more advanced than IKEA, but not far.
Not much. It's very, very neat.
Isn't it? Extremely neat. Good for those with opposable thumbs.